Today we're going to be flying my RC plane, and this is what it looks like.
So practice turning. That way. That way. Right, ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
It's full speed.
Full speed?
Yeah.
Hold up. Come on, mate. Keep going. Keep going, Rubes.
Let off.
Just use the steering.
I am. It's completely off.
Steer it around this way then.
I need to get some throttle. Around the side.
Bring it back this way then. You're going to get out of range. That's too far. This way. Steer the other way.
Okay, got it. Got it.
No.
Oh.
Come this way. You're out of range, mate. That's it. Like that way. Let off. Let off, mate.
Yeah, I am.
Just steer it this way. Throttle, 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 throttle.
I'm falling!
You were throttling and turning at the same time.
Okay, let's go find it. I crashed it. And this, just to let you know, this is my first time. Don't tell me I crashed this down. Everything's still on. Just a little bushy. Should we take it off? Okay, fly it back. Like that.
Hey, madam.
That was in the bush.
I can see it on the drone. Did you find it easier with the drone or?
Yeah, easier.
Yeah.
Fly on that.
Full throttle.
Full throttle.
Ready?
Yeah. Back on. Should I land?
Yeah. Try and bring him in and land, mate.
Okay. I think it landed.
Go on then. Go and get it.